Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I was looking for a pan that could take me from the cooking process from start to finish and be pretty enough to serve to my guests as well. Well, I'm happy to say that I found that with this SENSARTE 12-inch nonstick deep pan. As soon as I got this pan, I was immediately struck by how durable and heavy feeling it was. I also really love the handles on this pan. They are really sturdy with a really long handle for maneuvering the pan around the stove and a smaller handle on the other side for gripping with your hand. I think the beautiful wood grain finish on the handles of this pan really add a nice touch. I find this generously sized pan to be excellent for making those really hearty meals in that you can simmer gently on the stove. It performed super well for all the steps of my butter chicken recipe. It browned the chicken so evenly and cooked it completely through. And then when it was time to cook my onions, it gave them a perfectly golden brown caramelization. And when all my sauce ingredients were prepared, it kept it at a nice, consistent, steady simmer so that all those delicious flavors could develop. And when the meal was ready to serve, I was very proud to take it from my stovetop to the center of my table so that all my guests could admire it and serve themselves. And by the way, something that is very important, when I went to clean this pan after use, because of the great nonstick coating, it came perfectly clean and just as good as new. This SENSARTE pan is just as beautiful as it is effective, and I cannot wait to use it for many more meals to come. And that's my point of view.